Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. With Father Alejandro Guevara Rodriguez, SDB, New World Spiritual Animator of the Association of Mary Help of Christians, ADMA, the latter is experiencing a new spring and, in many places, including South Korea, where new groups are being established. The first ADMA group in South Korea was founded in Gwangju, the cradle of the Salesian charism in Korea, and now, in Seoul, a second is ready to be born. Gwangju's group has 14 members, with the first 12 having issued their promises in 2016 and another 2 joining in 2019. This ADMA group, made up of graduates from the Marian School, now also has 15 group aspirants. The group meets monthly, even if it is planning to meet every week or 2. Each of the 11,000 Salesians who have been sent as missionaries and gentes since 1875 has left a precious legacy in his homeland and also in his mission land. And Father John Med, a Salesian missionary in India 1924 to 2011, is no exception. Father Med is a model for every province that it always preserves the memory of its legendary missionaries. This year, the province of the Czech Republic, CEP, his province of origin, launched the Year of Father Med. This is an initiative launched on the provincial website and shared by the Salesians in India to treasure the memory of Father Med through his books of songs, testimonies, biographies, and numerous videos available on the Divine Echoes YouTube channel. The Don Bosco University of San Salvador has new furniture thanks to a donation from Salesian Missions, the Salesian Mission office based in New Rochelle, United States. The furniture was supplied by Furniture Reuse Solutions, a U.S. company committed to sustainability. The company supplies materials to charities and non-profits, helping them in their humanitarian missions. This is the first donation that Furniture Reuse Solutions offers to the Salesian Mission Office of New Rochelle. The Council of the Africa-Madagascar region, Father Alphonse Owodo, began his visit to the Salesian province of Central Africa, AFC, during which he presented the Rector Major's Father Angel Fernandez Artime program letter for the 6-year term. In an interview with Jambo Vijana, the Salesian magazine for young people in the Democratic Republic of Congo, Father Owodo said he was especially confident about the future of the oldest Salesian province in Africa. The regional councillor also wished to explain that the Rector Major's program letter, a document of normative and pedagogical guidelines, aims at a better expression of the Salesian charism. He then underlined the potential of the province and what, on the other hand, are its most critical points. He announced the beginning of the process of the Salesian mission of close accompaniment in the eastern part of the Democratic Republic of Congo by the AFC province. The Maltese National Federation of Past Pupils and Friends of Don Bosco has signed an agreement with the government of Malta on religious youth tourism. Through the agreement, the Salesians of Malta will promote the country as a destination for young people through educational and spiritual experiences for young people and educators from various nations. The Minister of Tourism, Clayton Bartolo, a past pupil of Savio College, said that this agreement will foster the niche of religious tourism, especially for young people, a sector in which Malta has great potential. We look at this niche as one of the pillars on which we will build the tourism sector for the next few years, said the minister. Brian Magro, National President of the Past Pupils and Friends of Don Bosco, said he was looking forward to starting the project, which will be another opportunity to educate children and young people to become good citizens and upright citizens. From 13 to 16 February, the Love Matters team of the Vice Province of Angola, ANG, celebrated the first formation session for the formators of the Salesian houses in Luanda. Love Matters is a training program on the emotional sexual dimension of person and is aimed at children aged 13 to 16 who attend Salesian schools and parishes. This program was conceived by the Salesian in South Africa and is giving excellent results not only in Salesian schools but also in Catholic and state schools. A second session is planned for the communities within the country. On 18 February at the Don Bosco Technological College, the Salesian province of Thailand, Cambodia and Laos (THA) celebrated the provincial feast day on the theme Like a Little Don Bosco, inspired by centenary of the death of Father Albera. Father John Bosco de Parat Pitison, provincial of the THA province, presided over the event, which was attended by about 100 Salesians, young aspirants and post-novices. The Don Bosco Education Center in Natal, with the support of food donations from the SSESCRN Mesa Brazil program, distributed over 13,000 food products to 800 vulnerable families in the state of Rio Grande do Norte. The action required careful organization and planning in order to ensure compliance with the safety and prevention measures imposed by the pandemic. The sprawling SIGA Oratory campus was filled with more than 500 young children in this August gathering. The managers, coaches, parents, well-wishers and friends of various playing teams were enthralled to see the bubbling supportive spirit of young children. Nearly 45 teams from in and around Chennai city participated in the football tournament. Father Saya Yaraj, SDB, the youth director, welcomed all the participants, while Father Nalayan, the rector, facilitated the event with his words of blessing. The tournament was inaugurated by Reverend Father John Wilson, SDB, the province youth director, on 20th February. The tournament was played on a league-cum-knockout system. The final match was held on 21st February between Dominic Savio Kilpock and Puzhal FCB team. Both teams tried their best to win and were equally strong and showed their excellent skill and performance. Finally, the Puzhal FCB team with a 4-by-1 goal defeated Dominic Savio Kilpock and won the trophy. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.